When Warren homeowners think about protecting their homes, security systems, cameras, and door locks often come to mind first. However, one of the most important, and frequently overlooked, factors in home security is proper window installation. Windows are a primary access point for natural light and ventilation, but when they are poorly installed or outdated, they can also become a vulnerability. Professional window installation plays a critical role in strengthening home security while improving comfort and peace of mind. Here's how window installation directly impacts home security in Warren homes. Secure installation prevents forced entry. Even high-quality windows can become security risks if they aren't installed correctly. Gaps, loose frames, or improper anchoring make it easier for intruders to force windows open. Professional installation ensures windows are securely anchored to the home's structure. Frames fit tightly within the opening. There are no weak points that can be pried open. This solid installation creates a strong barrier against forced entry attempts. Proper alignment ensures locks work as designed. Window locks are only effective when windows are installed square, level, and aligned correctly. Misalignment can prevent locks from fully engaging, even if they appear closed. Professional installers. Aligned sashes precisely test locking mechanisms, thoroughly ensure locks engage firmly every time. This guarantees that window locks provide the protection they're designed to deliver. Eliminating gaps that compromise security. Small gaps around window frames don't just allow drafts, they also weaken security. These gaps can be exploited by intruders to apply pressure or insert tools. Professional installation includes sealing gaps with durable materials, reinforcing the frame perimeter, creating a continuous, tight seal. This reduces both air leaks and potential security vulnerabilities. Stronger frames and reinforced installation. Modern windows often feature reinforced frames designed to resist impact and tampering. However, these benefits depend on correct installation. Professional installers use appropriate fasteners and anchoring methods. Secure frames to structural framing, not just trim. Avoid shortcuts that weaken window stability. This added strength makes windows much harder to breach. Improved visibility and natural surveillance. Well-installed windows open and close smoothly, allowing homeowners to manage visibility and airflow easily. Clear, properly seated glass improves sightlines around the home. This supports better visibility of outdoor areas, easier monitoring of yards and entry points, enhanced natural surveillance zones that are easy to see into from inside or less appealing targets. Noise reduction enhances awareness. Poorly installed windows can allow outside noise to mask sounds that might indicate suspicious activity. Professionally installed windows reduce unnecessary noise while still allowing homeowners to hear important sounds. Benefits include reduced background noise, improved awareness of surroundings, a quieter, more secure indoor environment. This balance contributes to a greater sense of safety. Protection against weather-related security risks. Warren experiences seasonal weather changes that can weaken poorly installed windows over time. Moisture intrusion and frame shifting can reduce structural integrity. Professional installation protects against water damage that weakens frames, shifting that affects lock performance, long-term degradation of security features. Strong windows remain secure through all seasons. Supporting modern security glass options. Many homeowners choose impact-resistant or laminated glass for added security. These advanced features only perform correctly when installed properly. Professional installers ensure glass is seated correctly. Frames fully support the glass. Security benefits are preserved. This maximizes the window's protective capabilities. Increased peace of mind for families. Knowing that windows are properly installed allows homeowners to feel confident in their home's security, whether they're home, asleep, or away. Professional installation delivers reliable performance, reduced risk of break-ins, long-term peace of mind. Secure homes start with proper installation. Window installation plays a crucial role in home security for Warren homeowners. Proper alignment, secure anchoring, tight sealing, and functional locks all work together to protect your home and family. By choosing professional window installation, Homeowners strengthen their home's defenses while also enjoying improved comfort, efficiency, and confidence, making it a smart investment in both safety and quality of life.